And the science this year is biology. And we think, as I saw today in the kindergarten today, that first-hand experience is the most important thing. We can't teach children about chickens and eggs and baby lambs if we, from indoors, we have to let them experience themselves. So we adopt a little goat, baby goat, every spring and every fall. Every fall, they kill him and we eat him. Yeah, it's terrible. But it's learning experiences. That's the way of food provision. So we try to teach the children the circle of life, the circle of human life also, and the animals. So one of our men, we have 7 men in kindergarten, and we have 10 women. So really a lot of men work at our place. And one of them has his cottage in an island, so he picks eggs for us and bring them to kindergarten, and we can explore. So what they are doing there is to see if they are fertilized, or not. Yeah, the baby bird in it. I didn't quite figure out how it was, but it's something about when it floats, there is a baby bird, I think, or totally different when it sinks, it is. So I really should have tried to learn you this, but I didn't. So this is visiting a farm. That is possible for us almost only once a year. And we have a hatching machine, so we hatch chicken eggs. We had 10 eggs this year, only 3 came out chicken. And we have them in our science room. We have a science room for 3 weeks maybe. And then they are this big and they have to leave. So this year we advertised on Facebook. We have chickens who wants them before we set off, obviously. And we had 10 answers. So many people wanted the chickens after we have hatched them. So they left on Friday. Bye-bye. So they will have fun elsewhere. We can't have them inside any longer, and we haven't the facilities to have them outdoors yet, but there is a dream about doing that. So we put potatoes in the ground in June, like 20th of June. So this is from last year. This is from the fall when they picked them up. It's not a big project, but the big project is the learning for the children to see and to first-hand experience. So, and this is from last Friday, the plastic box there. They wanted to make a the seaside, the stones and the fish and all the things by the seaside, put it into the box and see what it looks like, layer by layer. Also trying to learn. As I said, we had 10 eggs, 3 came out. So from that day, that was Biology Friday, last month, May, we had this egg project. What does a goose egg looks like? When we put the light through, can we see in it? What does a seagull egg look like? That's the seagull. And that's the goose. So what does it look like? And is there a chicken in it? Maybe. So we opened it with the children, and most of them came out with only the plomme yolk. But there was one chicken egg that had a full dead chicken in it. So within 30 seconds there were flowers, yeah, and boxes and cottons and everything, singing, bearing, and they learned about death. Immediate learning, because experiencing firsthand.